closing for the season, September 16th. Dang, that's what we get for not looking things up. So last time we talked to you guys, we were just coming out of the Olympic National Park, and we ended
up southeast side.
Yeah, out of Hoodsport, Staircase Campground. And at that time, we didn't plan on going into the park at any other entrances. If you recall, you can't drive through the park. You have to go in and out places. So we didn't have a lot of time right then, but it turns out we ended up having a little more time than we anticipated. So we decided to head north out of Hoodsport. So that's what we're doing today. We're just driving and kind of pulling in places to see what we can find.
Our plan is to go all the way north and just skirt the coastline around the top of the Olympic Peninsula down the west coast and bump into the national park whenever we feel like it.
Yeah. And
then make a big loop back down to Portland.
Yeah. So we're just out kind of cruising today. We'll see what's gonna pan out. I see some things have closed already, so.
But the thing is, it's national forest here, so we can just pull in and camp for free pretty much anywhere in the national forest.
Yeah, there's got to be good boondocking spots and whatnot. There's no Verizon service. There hasn't been really. So definitely be looking for something that we can use our Starlink. I'm trying to upload and stuff, so. All right, let's cruise, see what we can find. Wow, a lot of people parked right there. Oh, no, closed. Campground closed, but it's still a trail, so a lot of people go to hike the trail. I have a feeling all the parks are going to be, campgrounds are going to be closed, National Forest campgrounds, so.
You can camp right there by the gate.
Oh, sure.
If we wanted to.
Yeah. We'll keep moving.
Yeah, unless we find a cool spot.
A spot for the night. We are in just outside of the Squim area of Washington.
Try to say Port Angeles, she says Squim.
Yeah, but this isn't Port Angeles. This is a Dungeness recreation area. And we can show you the water here. Is that the Strait
of Juan
de Fuca?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, and I think you can see across and you're going to be able to see Victoria, Canada.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's like 20 miles across.
Yeah, crow flies.
Straight north of us. We're like right on the edge.
Yeah, so let's go check it out, see if we can see Canada. There it is. And there's a lot of seaweed. Look how clear that water is. Yeah, so that's Victoria. Cool.
Didn't expect to be up here, huh?
No. Okay, well, basically attached to the campground is the National Wildlife Refuge. So that's pretty cool. Let's check it out. Okay, so we chatted a really nice gal here, and we are here. The campground is back here, and you can walk out to this spit here, and then at low tide you can go all the way out.
That's
it's
5
miles out to the lighthouse, but tide's coming in right now, so she said don't go that far. So we might go a little ways through the woods and check out the spit this afternoon. down. Lighthouse is all the way over. I don't even know if you can see it right here. Maybe. Tide's definitely coming in.
Well, should we walk that hill back up?
Yeah, it's peaceful down there now. Good morning.
Carry on.
You singing this morning?
Ooh.
Crystal likes that.
She's trying to shut me up.
We are going to be heading out of this Dungeness recreation area, and we are stopping in Port Angeles, Port of Angels.
I guess, yeah.
To get some groceries, and we need to get gas and refill propane, and then we're going to...
Let's get some Dungeness.
That seems
If
appropriate.
you have any fresh crab, we should get some. It's been a while.
Oh yeah, with just some drawn butter. Maybe we'll do that. We'll check it out at the store. And we're going to head back into the park. There is a campground called Heart of the Hills.
I didn't look, I'm sorry.
Something like that. We're only 40 minutes away, but we have to stop and do our things. And I'm actually not even sure that campground is open, but we're just going to drive in and check it out.
Also, it shows it's open year round, so.
Oh, okay.
But we've been burned before.
Yeah, we have. It's true. Yeah, so we're just going to go check that out. Come with us. Ooh, someone got a treat. Good girl.
I want one.
Oh no, we're making a mess. Oh. It's hard to get out of there, girl.
Can I have some?
I think that's it.
Just I missed some.
Oh god. There you go, clean up your mess. So we stopped at Safeway and they had a Starbucks inside, so we had to get her a little pop copy. So our next stop, we just have to go to Tractor Supply, refuel our propane, and then we'll be headed into the national park. Okay, we did all the things. We are now headed out. We're 7 miles away from the campground, Heart o' the Hills, inside the Olympic National Park, and it's going to take us about 15 minutes. So see you when we get there. Okay, we pulled into the campground, and you know what? We're just not feeling it right now. And we noticed the road keeps going here from the Heart o' the Hills campground. And it's another out and back. It doesn't go through the park, but it goes up something called Hurricane Ridge. It's about a half-hour drive, I think, to the top, and then we turn around and come back. So we're gonna do that. I still don't know where we're gonna stay tonight. But we're just gonna take off and check out this drive.
We can come back here and spend $25 to sleep here, or we can go
back into Port Angeles.
Back into town, and there's a casino we can stay for free at.
Yeah, there's a free spot.
If you're just gonna sit inside and go to bed, why not?
Yeah, exactly. But let's check out this drive. I'm real curious. I bet it's just gonna be gorgeous. It seems like it's a fairly clear day, so maybe we'll get some good views from the top. Looks like we climb part of Mount Angeles. Oh, and Hurricane Hill is 5,700 feet, and Mount Angeles is 6,400. So
we're at 1,700 now.
We're gonna be climbing. So I'm wondering, on the map from the campground to the top, there are some tunnels. So I'm hoping there are no height restrictions. They didn't mention it when we entered the park. I would think that they might mention it. And there might be some warning here as we start the climb, but we'll see. I love a good tunnel, but I don't like it if it's short. Oh, aren't you the sweetest? Yeah, I love you.
Hurricane Ridge.
Okay, 1 minute. 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 1 minute one word to describe that drive and the views up there: gorgeous. It was just stunning. So stunning.
You got sleep on your face.
I know. Okay, so we did stay at the casino last night. No, I did not spend all night in the casino gambling, but I did. I slept until 8:30. Dave woke me up, and I still it's 9:30 now. It's been an hour, and I still have sleep lines, big bags under my eyes. Oh well, that happens. You know, when you fall asleep hard finally. Anyway, back to that drive.
Very cool.
So cool. And they had a lot of good looking hikes up there. Like you could hike up to the peak, but she wasn't even allowed out of the car. I think in the parking lot they had giant signs, no dogs. So we just didn't want to leave her very long. I didn't know how long that hike would take, and so we just didn't do it. But definitely something to consider at another time with backpacks. And
yeah,
I recommend the drive just for the drive down. On the way back down, I had to turn the cameras off and really concentrate on not getting car sick. So by the time we pulled into the casino here last night, I was just like a little green around the gills. So today we're gonna get off 101 and head even further north. We're gonna take that north coastline out towards the tip of the peninsula. So we'll just see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.